Learn French with Alice. Want to know how to say kitty in French? When we talk to a male kitty, we call him Minou. When we talk to a female kitty, we call her Minette. Minou and Minette. And if we don't know the gender, the neutral is Minou. Now let's watch the moment Tiger learned to say and spell Minette with this song.
Hi.
Oh, salut. Who are you?
My name is Tiger. I'm not from around here. I'm on vacation from the U.S. and my parents just dropped me off. What's your name?
My name is Minette.
What?
Minette.
Minette?
Minette.
Oh, minute. Like 1 minute.
No, Minette. My name is Minette. Doop doo 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 doo. Just like a cute pet. Doop doo 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 doo. My name is Minette. Doop doo 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 doo. M-I-N-E-T-T-E. You got it?
Oh, yeah, I see. Minou.
No. My name is Minette. Doop doo 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 doo. Just like a trumpet. Doop doo 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 doo. My name is Minette. Doop doo 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 doo. M-I-N-E-T-T-E. How about now?
It's just too hard.
No, silly. It's easy. My name is Minette. Doop doo 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 doo. Just like a puppet. Doop doo 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 doo. My name is Minette. Doop doo 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 doo. M-I-N-E-T-T-E. Understand now?
Yeah. Yes, I think so.
Okay, sing with me. My name is Minette. Doop doo doo doo. Just like a cute pet. Doop doo doo doo. My name is Minette. Doop doo doo doo. M-I-N-E-T-T-E. See, you got it.
Minette!
That's it for now. See you soon.